Hello y'all, this is going to be a short, sweet, to the point video. This is going to be about finding the right straighter valve tool for your AC port. Now, a lot of y'all will know that a lot of your AC port valves, the little straighter valves, are going to be something similar to one that you would find in your tire. Well, just like that. Now, a stem tool tire tool like that, or one of these multi-tools like this that has it on one end of it, will work just fine. They will fit on it, screw it in and out. But let's say that you come across one that's the big bore style. You can look at it side by side. I line up where the threads are and you can tell the difference in them. This one, these tools are not going to work with. It will not even go over the end of it right here. Now, this is the predicament I came into with working on my 1999 Ford Taurus. I went to almost every parts store in town, and when I asked for an AC tool that would fit the big bore ones, they would come back off the shelf with one like this or one like this. And I would try to explain to them that they would not work. Well, a lot of y'all know that the people that work at parts stores, a lot of them, I ain't gonna say all of them, but a lot of them do not have any experience on working on cars. Some of them probably haven't even ever been under the hood of their own car. They're just out of school and they're looking for some money. But I found one by doing a little research on my own. This one right here, you can see there, is called Factory Air by Four Seasons. And there's the part number for it. And I found this at Advanced Auto Parts. Now granted, Advanced Auto Parts was one of the stores that I went looking in the first place. And they said they had nothing that would fit this. They said this is all they had, was ones like these. So I went to looking on their website, searching straighter valve tools, AC valve tools, valve core tools, and I finally stumbled across this one. Take it out of the package here. Now if you look at it, you will see that it has two ends on it. This one is for the small ones like these. Fits it just fine. This end is bigger and it will fit it. Now when I went to the Advanced Auto Parts, I gave them this part number, showed them a screenshot off of their website, and at first they just went looking on the shelf out front saying, oh, we don't have nothing like that. And on the website it says that they have two of them in stock. So after one talks to another and another clerk talks to another and they finally get the manager, about 20 minutes later they find it up on a top shelf in the very back of the store, out of sight. So if you go to any auto parts stores and they say this is all you got, just keep this in mind. I'm not quite sure if this is just a brand for Advanced Auto Parts. I know Advanced Auto Parts and CarQuest have their similarities. I'm not quite sure what they are. I haven't done the research on it, but just keep this in mind. You can always go on the advancedautoparts.com website and order it, and just keep this around. I think this was with tax about $12. I hope this video helps you out. If you like it, please remember to give it a thumbs up. If you haven't already done so, please subscribe to my channel. I will include a link in the information box at the top in this video and in the description below.